Hello, welcome to my weight loss journey. This is not going to help me lose weight, it's just going to make me proactive. I built this dresser in 1998 when I was in 8th grade. Doesn't look like a dresser yet, but the drawers are inside, I promise. What I'm going to do, because I'm bored and I have nothing else to do for our move, I'm going to go ahead and sand this down today and get it ready for some new stain or whatever I want to do with it. Like I said, it's been 20 years. I never did finish it. It's made out of pine, and I just want to make it look good. So follow me on the journey, and we'll show you what it looks like afterward, and maybe some clips in between. All right. Day one, episode 1 done. We went ahead, we did get the top sanded, we got the sides sanded, we did the front, rounded the edges, and I even sanded the back. It's got some cheap plywood on the back that I was always getting splinters from moving it. I'm going to, excuse me, I'm going to go ahead and reroute the top. Good Lord, run by the top with the router again. That's why this is still ugly and brown, but the rest of this is just fantastic. If you want to come get a close-up of it, should be able to see the difference. It's no longer yellow, it's back to white pine, the way it should be. I am going to be building a better shelf than this one here. I did break the top drawer probably 15 years ago when I stubbed my toe in the middle of the night and punched it like a dummy. So instead of replacing the drawer, I'm just going to go ahead and put a shelf in here. That's why I did go ahead and drill a hole in the back here. And that's because I always have my TV up here, and I can just run the wires down to the cable box, PlayStation, whatever's going in there in the future. So I hope this episode was a little bit fun for you, and join me for part 2 when I do the drawers. You guys have a good day, and thanks for joining me on my journey.